Wait, before you skip this video, I was too scared to speak even one English sentence. But something changed everything. My father's simple morning routine taught me the secret. Stay with me for just 3 minutes, and I'll show you how. Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to share something special with you. This is a true story about a small family and one big dream. I live in a quiet town with my father and mother. We are just 3 people, but our home is full of love and hope. My father wakes up before the sun rises every morning. He works hard in his office, helping many people. When he comes home tired, he never complains. Instead, he smiles and tells me, "Remember, hard work always wins." My mother is my hero. She cooks wonderful meals and helps me study. When I feel down, she holds my hand and says, "Don't worry. Try again. You will succeed." Her words give me strength every single day. My parents always say the same thing. Education is your power. It will change everything. I listen carefully because I want to make them proud. At school, I discovered something amazing. My English teacher changed my life. He told us English is not hard. You just need practice every day. He gave us simple tasks. Write 5 sentences daily. Speak English with friends. Read 1 page from any book. I decided to try. After school, I finish my homework, then I start my English practice. First, I read 1 short story. Then I write 5 new words and make sentences with them. I read them out loud to improve my speaking. Sometimes I watch English cartoons and copy how they speak. It's fun. At night, my father asks me to tell him a story in English. I speak slowly. Sometimes I forget words, but he encourages me. "You're doing great. Keep practicing." Every Sunday, I make my weekly plan in English. My goals are simple but powerful. I want to speak English fluently. I want to travel and meet people from different countries. I want to become an English teacher and help other students just like you. Learning is not always easy. Some days I feel tired or lazy, but I remember, practice makes perfect. So even when I'm sleepy, I still read 1 page. This is my promise to myself. My friend, if I can do this, you can too. I was very shy before, but now I try every day. Don't give up. Read 1 page daily. Speak to yourself in the mirror. We all make mistakes, but mistakes are our teachers. Start today with just 1 sentence. Tomorrow, 1 more. Soon, you'll speak English with confidence. Subscribe now and watch my next story. Let's learn English together, 1 simple step at a time. See you soon, my friend.